In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for designers. We're going to walk through setting up and exploring a ready-made creative workflow so you can manage design requests, timelines, files, and assets all in one place. Follow along in your own Monday.com account if you can. That will make it much easier to remember later. First, open Monday.com and head to the Template Center. This is where you'll find pre-built boards and workflows created specifically for different teams, including design and creative. Using a template is the fastest way to get a solid structure without building everything from scratch. Once you're in the Template Center, look towards the highlighted area shown on your screen and click there to continue. This will open the main template browsing experience. From here, you'll see an option to Start with Template. Go ahead and click that. What this does is tell Monday.com that you want to base a new board on an existing structure. Next, you'll see a search field within the Templates section. Click into that box and start typing the highlighted name you see on screen. As you type, Monday.com will filter the list of templates so you can quickly find the one we're using in this walkthrough. When the correct template appears in the list, click on it. This will open a preview where you can see what's included: boards, views, forms, and dashboards that are all tailored for a design or creative workflow. Once you're ready, click Use Template. Monday.com will now create all the boards and views for you automatically, which may take a few moments. After the template is created, you'll be taken to the main creative board. Click on the highlighted area to make sure the board is active. At the top of the board, you'll see several different views. These are alternate ways of looking at the same data. First, click on Calendar. This view lets you see design tasks and deadlines laid out over time, which is ideal for planning sprints, campaigns, or launches. Then switch back by clicking on Main Table. This is your core spreadsheet-style view, where you can see all requests, owners, statuses, and due dates in one place. Next, click on Files. This view focuses on the assets attached to your items, making it easy to review designs, screenshots, and final deliverables without digging through each task. You'll also see a view called Creative Request Form. Click that. This is a form connected directly to your board. Stakeholders can fill this out to submit new creative requests, and each submission will automatically create a new item on your main board, saving you from chasing details in chats or emails. Now click on the Kanban view. This organizes your requests into columns, usually by status, so you can drag and drop items through stages like In Progress, Review, and Complete. It's a very visual way to manage your design pipeline. You'll also find views like Submitted Requests and Needs Approval. Click on these to see how incoming work and approval-dependent tasks are organized separately. This helps keep your main board focused while still giving you filtered views for specific parts of the process. Next, click on Creative Dashboard. Dashboards give you a high-level snapshot of your workload, timelines, and performance. As a design lead or freelancer, this helps you quickly understand capacity and priorities without digging into every item. Now move to the Asset Library, sometimes labeled as a DAM or Digital Asset Management. Click that view. Here, you'll store reusable assets like logos, brand guidelines, templates, and approved imagery. Having this centralized prevents version confusion and keeps your team aligned on what's current. Within the Asset Library, click on Main Table to see the full list of assets in a structured way: names, types, usage notes, and links. Finally, click on Asset Gallery. This view displays your assets visually, which is perfect for designers. You can quickly scroll, preview, and select files without opening each one individually. By walking through these views, you now have a complete creative workflow in Monday.com, from request intake to task tracking, approvals, file management, and a central asset library.